Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Installing and Importing Python 3 Packages, a Guide to Managing Dependencies. Introduction. Python is a versatile programming language with a rich ecosystem of libraries and packages that make development faster and more efficient. While many packages are readily available for installation using package managers like pip, there may be situations where you need to work with a package that hasn't been installed yet. In this tutorial, we will explore how to import a yet-to-be-installed Python package, install it on the fly, and use it in your code. Step 1. Checking package availability. Before importing a package, it's crucial to check if the package is already installed. You can use the try, except block to catch an import error and handle the installation accordingly. Step 2. Installing the package. To install a package dynamically, you can use the subprocess module to run the pip install command from within your Python script. Step 3. Importing the package. Once the package is installed, you can proceed to import it into your script. Step 4. Putting it all together. Let's create a simple script that checks for the presence of a package, installs it if necessary, and then imports and uses it. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've covered the process of importing a yet-to-be-installed Python package dynamically. This can be especially useful when working on projects that require specific dependencies or when sharing code with others who may not have the required packages installed. Remember to handle exceptions appropriately and install packages securely from trusted sources. ChatGPT.